Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys a case study on Clickbank affiliate marketing. So first, let's look at the numbers. So you can see here, this is one of my Clickbank affiliate marketing account. So you can see here, on day 16th, we started this advertisement on Facebook and it made a sale on day 1. And day 17th, it made 2 sales. And day 18th, it made 1 more sale. So it really showed me the potential that the product has. And on day 19, it didn't made any sale, but still the ad spend is around like $100. And day 20th, it made like $40 sales. And day 21st, that's today, it made around like $500. So on total, it made around like $1,000 in the last 1 week. So you can see here, this is the current week data. And you can see the numbers here. So these are not some fake numbers, guys. Let me refresh the screen to make sure that these numbers reload again. So you can see the numbers. These are not some fake numbers. These are real numbers. So let's dive in and let's look at the Facebook numbers, because all these numbers are not profitable because we have to spend some money on Facebook advertisements. So we spend around like $500 to get the sales. So it's around like 100% ROI. So first, let me give you guys an idea on whatever product I promoted on Facebook ads. So it comes with the health and related products. So you can promote like weight loss offers or dental product, or there are a lot of products comes under health and related category. So this comes under health and related category. So it solves a problem. It's a very common problem on world people. So it's a health product. So it solves a common problem. So it's a product which is not commonly found in stores. So they have to purchase online. So that's the reason the product is performing really good. But some products you can find them on Amazon, but still this product is not there in Amazon. So people have to purchase through online store, and that's the reason this product is really converting well compared to other products. So I've been seeing a couple of competitors on Clickbank really promoting this product and making like $1,000 to $2,000 every single day. So it shows me the potential of this particular product. So that's the reason I launched this product, and the average conversion value is around $100 on this product. So when you have a higher conversion value, then you can spend a lot of money on Facebook ads. Even the cost per purchase is around 80 to 90 bucks. It's still going to be profitable. So because there's a lot of upsells are connected to this product, so even people buy at $100 cost per purchase, we're still going to make money on the upsells. So the gravity on this particular product is 350 plus, so which really shows me that a lot of affiliates are promoting this product and there's a potential in it. So let's also talk about how I created this entire campaign on Facebook. So when I started, I first created the bridge page on ClickFunnels. Without bridge page, you can't run Clickbank affiliate products because you can't promote the link directly on Facebook. So you need to have a bridge page to protect your account, and the account will stay much longer. So always have bridge pages, because without bridge page, your account will get banned. So always have some WordPress or ClickFunnels accounts and create a bridge page on it. So once you have the bridge page done, try to reach your vendor. So that's what I did. I reached my vendor and asked for a customer email list. So vendor sent me like 10,000 email list. So I created a lookalike audience. So I created like 1 to 10% lookalike audience on tier 1 country. So lookalike audience will help you a lot better compared to interest audience, because lookalike audience are like more similar people to the people who have already purchased the product. So when you create lookalike audience on Facebook, so these people have higher possibilities of purchasing the product compared to interest targeting. So interest targeting can also make sales, but not as good as lookalike audience. So once I had the lookalike audience, first I started finding some ad copies and ad images, and I started creating my own ad copies and ad images from what I found. So don't always use the same exact landing page and the same exact ad copy or the images, because it won't perform really well on Facebook, because Facebook already know that you're copying from others. They can also ban your account for that. So try to make some small tweaks on the images or the ad copies and even on the landing page. So because nowadays the FB spy tools will have this option where you can import the landing page to your funnel. So don't do that. So just make some small changes to it, because it can really help your account stay much longer. Because when it's come to affiliate marketing, Facebook will ban your accounts a lot. But still you can have like ton of accounts created on Facebook, because you can create a lot of profiles and you can have like 5 accounts per business manager. So you can have like multiple accounts. So in the next slide, I'll show you guys on how I launched my ads. So I started with 8 Adsense with $5 budget, because you don't need a lot of money to start getting those sales, because you need some data on your pixel. So you can move forward and spend a lot of money and make more sales. So I started with $5 budget, and I just let it run for like 3 to 5 days. So once it makes sales in the first 48 hours or even in the first 3 days or first 5 days, I just increase the budget immediately to $25 or $26. So that's what I did in this campaign. So I'll also show you guys the campaigns and everything in the next slide. So just make sure you watch this video till the end. And I still launch AdSense every other day, because I still need to keep the campaign alive. So I still have to add more new AdSense to it, so the campaign stays profit and keep on making sales. So every time I add a new AdSense to the campaign, I just narrow down the audience a bit, because I just look at my world winning AdSense for data. Like you can find which audience made sale and which gender made sale, which age range made sale. So I try to replicate that success on a new ad sets I'm launching. I try that every other day on the new ad sets. So if I found more ad sets winning at that particular demographic, which really shows us that it has the potential to scale. So let's look at the campaign. So you can see this is the ad account I used to run this particular offer. So I launched this campaign back in January, and I had some issues with the profile. So I just let it run for a while, and I recently started on February 16th. Let's look at the numbers from February 16th. So you can see here, so let me scroll down so you can see the numbers. So these are the campaigns, these are the ad sets I launched on February 16th. So you can see here, right, all these are $5 ad sets. So on that first day, we made a couple of sales. You can see here. So all these ads are started on February 16th, and this particular ad set made a sale for $16.91, and the sale is around like $113. So the ad spent on that particular day is around $53. We spent 53 and made back 113. So that's more than 100%. So let's also look at the next day. So if I change it to 17, so you can see the numbers. On 17th, it made 2 sales, and the sales value is around $259. So you can see the numbers here. So it just spent like $67 in ad spend, and you can see numbers here. So it's not some fake numbers. You can see the purchases here. So you can see, right? So website purchases. So I launched like 8 ad sets. Out of the 8 ad sets, we got this 2 ad sets making sales. So we just have to close the other ad sets. So you can see these are the other ad sets. I just let it run for 3 to 5 days to see whether it has the potential to make another sale. But they haven't started making any sales. So they still at 0 sales. So mostly in 3 to 5 days, I just turn it off. You can see, right? I just turn them off. So I just let these 2 ad sets run, because these 2 ad sets keep on making sales. So you can see the numbers here. So this is a CPM. CPM is around $11 is very good in health niche, because on average you only get around like $50 or $30 to $50. So this particular niche has like $11 CPM. So you can see the CTR is around 3%, and it's around 4%. So this is an interest audience. At the 15th is a lookalike audience. So you can see the numbers here. It spent $20 and $16. So overall ad spend is around $67, and it made around $254. So the ROI is really good on this particular day, because it made well over $200 in profit on this particular day. So let's look at 18th. So on 18th, it made around $121 in sales. So you can see the numbers here. It just spent like $72, and it made 2 sales. Actually, it's not 2 sales. It's the same customer purchased the upsell, and Facebook recorded as a sale. So not a problem, but still you can see it, right? So it says as 2 sales. So that's the main ad set we found on the first 8 ad sets we launched. So it's the same ad set. It's making consistent sales. So you can see, right? So I increased the budget a bit, like $21, from $5 to $21. So we can see the CTR is around 5%, and the CPM is very good, around $13. So it made $121 in sales on that particular day, on 18th. So on 19th, I have launched like a couple of ad sets at higher budget, like $20 ad sets. So you can see, right? So I have launched a lot of $20 ad sets. You can see, right? These 3 ad sets are launched on 19th, and it didn't perform well. Because in this campaign, whenever I launch $5 ad sets, it really performs well compared to $20 ad set budget. So I just launched like $20 ad sets, and I narrowed down the audience to some winning demography and the audience, and still it didn't perform well. So you can see the CTRs are not that good, and the CPM is good, but still the order form impression is not that good after 24 hours. So I also recently launched some more ad sets on 20. So let's look at how much we made on 19th. So we spent $131 on overall, but we made 0 sales on that particular day. So let's look at the next day on 20th. So on 20th, we made 1 sale for $40. It's not a lot of money, but still, so we are still negative on that particular day. You can see, right? So it $72 is the ad spend, and we did $40. So we did like minus 50% negative on that particular day. But still, the overall campaign for a week is really profitable. So I just kept on running the ads and kept on launching new ad sets. So every time you launch a new ad set, it makes a sale. So always keep launching new ad sets to the campaign if it's a winning campaign. When I say winning campaign, which means if the campaign is having a lot of purchases, then every time you launch an ad set has a higher opportunity of making the purchase. So if I change this into 21st, that's today. So because the account is in PST, that's the reason. It's 22nd in my country, so it's 21st in PST time zone. So even Clickbank is in PST time zone. So you can see the numbers here. On these are the recent, these are the last 5 AdSense I launched on this account on 20th, and on 21st it went live, and you can see, right? So almost like out of 5, 3 is winning. So like all these 3 made a sale on day 1. So I increased the budget. I started with $5 budget, and I look at the CTR. So you can see, right? So anything below 1%, I just kill them. So like anything, this one made a sale, but still the CTR is bad. But I think it will come back to like 2-3% by next day. So we just need to let it spend because all these ads has made a sale. So on this particular day, it made around $500 in sales. So the overall ad spend is just 87.64. That's the overall ad spend on February 21st, guys. So this is the overall ad spend, 87. So let me calculate how much we made. So you can see the numbers on 87, 64 minus 504 is what we made on Clickbank. So we did around like $400 on overall sales. So this is the overall numbers on this campaign. So let's look at how much we spent on. And you can see the overall ad spend is around $484, and we made around like $1,039. So let's calculate how much we made. So 1,039 minus 484. So this is how much we made in the last 1 week. So almost $500 in profit. So it's not a lot of money, but still you can slowly increase the budgets, and you can reach a point where it can make like $500 consistently, like profit every single day. It's possible. So I'm just showing you guys like what's possible with Facebook ads and Clickbank affiliate marketing. So if you guys really enjoyed this video, do leave a like on this video, and do leave a comment on this video, guys. If you have any questions, do please leave a comment. I'll answer all your questions, and pretty much that's it, guys. Thanks for watching the video, and see you guys in the next video.